Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to see saved passwords in iPhone. So first of all, open up your iPhone settings. In the settings, you have to click on General. Then click on Software Update. Over here, you have to make sure that your iOS version is above 18 because if your iOS is 18 or above, then you will have a separate application for your passwords. If you have an iOS 17.9 or a lower version, then you will be able to find your passwords in the settings. To find your passwords, you have to go back to the main interface of your settings and you will be able to see an option that says passwords somewhere around here. But if your iOS is above 18, just like mine, then you have to go back to your iPhone's main screen, then swipe right until you see the app library. In your app library, you have to search for passwords. In passwords, you have to click on all. Once you click on all, you will be able to view all of your passwords that are saved in your iPhone. So that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing for more videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.